everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, but this time I am here to share a little haul with you. I went to Hobby Lobby today and then I did an online purchase. So at Hobby Lobby I got these ephemera packs. This one is different. I've never seen, I think these are brand new packs. And they're adorable. Let's see. Let me get some out here. It says, "You are lovely." This one says, "There is wonder in simplicity." There's two of those. And "Cherish each day." So they have little tiny sentiments. I thought those were really adorable. And you get 100 pieces. Unfortunately, I did not get them while they were 50% off or 40% off. It's a bummer, but that's okay. It's still a good deal. And then this one is a lot of like postage and globes and maps and just really cute little things. Numbers, love that. I want to make some luggage tags. I don't know why. I just want to make some luggage tags. I want to do a vintage journal one day. And then at Hobby Lobby, I found these pencils. And yes, they were 66% off. So I bought them at, let me see my receipt. I bought them at, they were $1 a piece. So from $2.99 I got them for $1. So not too bad. I could have waited till they went on sale for 70% off, but they'd be gone. So I just thought these were adorable. I want to put in some happy mail and send them off to friends. And then last thing that I bought at Hobby Lobby was this paper pad, and I'm not sure if anybody shared the Whimsical Christmas. And I bought it mainly for I love, what do you call them? Oh my God. I can't remember. Soldiers, something. Oh my gosh. My brain just went blank. And then the gingerbread houses and the gingerbread people. It's really cute paper, and I didn't realize that they have glitter on them. They're so cute. This one is holly. Love this paper. Here's the houses. Joy. This has glitter on them. This has glitter on the gold balls. So mainly gold. I love this candy cane stripes. I'm just going to go real quick. If you've already seen it, you don't need to see it again. And then you can, I love this. This is the main paper I wanted. And the plaid is really cute. And the Santa with some gold specks on there. Really adorable. And the gingerbread people, of course. And garland. And sweet holiday wishes, ho ho ho, blah blah blah. Oh, I love the snow. I love this polar bear. Okay, so if you probably have already noticed, I'm not under the weather, so bear with me. And then online, I purchased some Christmas paper dolls. I have all his other dolls. Well, I have a lot of them. And I didn't have any Christmas ones, and I said I need to get some. So this one has 69 pieces, and I don't know what year this one is. he just started putting the year on his packaging, so that's great. So this is the 2023 pack, and you get 95 pieces actually, and there's a lot of die cuts, like here's Santa die cut, but in the back there's a few of his dolls. But that's why I got these, you know, to make up for what was not in this one. And so I bought these 2 packs. This one is 69 and this has 65 pieces. I love the little boy in the sled. That is so cute. I have to make a birthday card. Maybe I'll be back sharing that. But that is my itty bitty haul, guys. And I hope you guys are doing well, staying healthy, and not, you know, not getting in the hustle and bustle of things. I know it gets crazy around this time of year, but I want to send my love to everybody. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll be back with another video. Bye for now.